Pesticide safety at home is super important if you want to keep your family safe while still kicking pests to the curb. So, here's the deal. When you're handling pesticides inside the house, always pick the least toxic options like boric acid or pyrethrums, since they're safer for humans but still tough on bugs. Don't ever spray pesticides when kids or pets are around, and make sure the area is well ventilated to avoid breathing in fumes. Wear gloves and avoid skin contact because even low-toxicity pesticides can irritate your skin or cause other issues. If you're dealing with bedbugs or roaches, sometimes it's best to call in professionals who can handle serious infestations safely and even evacuate the home if needed. For garden pests, timing is key. Spray early in the morning or late evening when bees are less active to protect pollinators. Always read the label instructions carefully. Those details are there for a reason. Store pesticides out of reach of kids and pets in locked cabinets. And finally, don't mix different pesticides unless the label says it's okay, because that can cause dangerous chemical reactions. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pesticide use at home is ignoring the label instructions, leading to over-application or unsafe mixing. Fix this by always reading and following the directions exactly. Another common issue is using highly toxic pesticides indoors instead of safer alternatives like boric acid or pyrethrums. Switch to these low-toxicity options to reduce health risks. Lastly, many folks forget to ventilate the area properly after spraying pesticides, which can cause headaches or respiratory problems. Opening windows and doors after application helps clear out lingering chemicals fast. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about pest control and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with clients who need reliable work done, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.